making kidney. Alright, I'm gonna just cut it up and get to it. Alright, so my kidney's already cut up, so I'm gonna add my spices. This is my onion powder. I'm gonna add paprika. My seasonings, my combo seasoning. This is like scallion, onion, peppers. I'm gonna go ahead and add my black pepper. Adobe. And browning. And these are great browning. So I'm gonna mix all this up. Mix all this up. So the color is changing because of the browning. Then I'm gonna put this on the pot. So there you go with a pot with the oil, and I use avocado oil, so I'm going to add my kidney in the pot. Alright, so while that is cooking, I'm gonna cut up my extra seasoning to go in there. First of all, I'm gonna let that cook down a little bit. Alright, so there you go with the kidney. So now I'm gonna add some garlic in, so that can like take away flavor a little bit garlic flavor on it. So I'm gonna mix that up, and then I'm gonna cover it and let this keep cooking a little bit longer. Okay, here's the kidney. Because of the pot is making it a little water in it. So I'm going to pour a little bit of water in it because I want it to cook. Put some water in it and let it cook down for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I come back and check on it. Look at the kidney again. See, it's already cooking down, but it's still not completely cooked. So I'm gonna add a little bit more water in there and let it cook down again for another 20 minutes. Add some water. Let it cook down for 20 minutes. That's the vegetable that we're gonna need to put in the kidney. So I have my onion, green onions, a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper, and tomato. So we're gonna all add this to the pot. Okay, see the pot? We're gonna add those ingredients in. So we're gonna add our tomato, green onion, scotch bonnet pepper, tomato. We're all gonna add this in the pot. Keep stirring. Keep stirring the pot. ketchup. Add a little bit more water. We're gonna stir all this, and now we're gonna let it cook now, and then when it's finished, I'm gonna make my plate and show you the finishing dish of my kidney. Okay, here's my finishing dish for my kidney. Nice steam. You can pair this up with either rice like I did, or you can do dumpling with bananas. Nice Jamaican dish. You can eat it for breakfast, dinner, whatever you choose. Hope you guys enjoy my kidney. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell to get that notification, and just comment down below. Let me know what you think of this video, and as usual, I will see you guys on the next video.